One of the good things about having a bed in the back of my van and doing the whole van life thing is I get to end up in some really nice locations and do a few little side hustles, like today. It doesn't look like much, but it's actually really nice and tranquil around here. And all things considered, this is not a bad place to be parked up at. Now for my side gig, I'm doing some house and dog sitting. Let me introduce you to the gang. I won't lie, I was a little bit nervous when I knew that there were 3 Rottweilers. But thankfully, they're all man as a box of frogs and completely soft and stupid. I mean it, you're all being ridiculous. Let me go and introduce them to him properly. This lad here is Scooby. He's 2, and it doesn't show it, but he's absolutely massive. Get a ball. This is Bella, and she's only 9 months old. She's flipping massive. I'm not slut shaming or body shaming. And this little ball of neediness is Noah. Where's the other one gone? No, don't be ridiculous, it's me. You're just being ridiculous now. Oh, hello sir, you decided to make an appearance now, have you? Now with that done, I had planned to do a 1-pan van meal in my van. And as you can see, I've got the gas, I've got the spare tripod, I've got everything in my bag to make said meal, and this is what we were going to try and do. Uncle Ben's 1-pan creation, Szechuan fried rice. But guess who left the gas cooker at home? Well, this video is going well. Right, plan B. How do we turn this thing on? Ah, I'm going to have to cheat, but we'll give it a go anyway. And if the dogs stop going, I can do it as well. We've got Uncle Ben's 1-pan creations. Legitimately, I don't know what burner to use. I guess that one? How does this work? Every time I start recording, you all act up. Why? Do you just hate me? First up, brown the chicken. I genuinely can't believe that last time I forgot the blooming frying pan, and now I've got the frying pan. I forgot to bring the gas cooker. If you're thinking all this looks a little bit yellow, you'd be right. I think it's because of the LED lights. I mean, sunflower oil, that's all right, isn't it? Yeah, I still got it. I don't know what I've got, but I've still got it. Is that brown enough? Next up, add the garlic. Add the peppers. Swizzle around a bit more till it's all cooked. It doesn't say to add in the spring onions, but there it says add extra if you want to. So we're going to bang them in anyway. Done. Swizzle a bit more. How do you know when peppers are cooked? Next up we have Ben's original. Why did they get rid of the uncle? Look at this. Oh, doesn't that look tempting? In fact, no, there is a fail on this. It does say add 10 millilitres of water. How much is 10 mil? I'm guessing that's it. Let's plate up, shall we? Oh, I forgot a plate. Look at this. Let's plate it up and see what it looks like. This is supposed to serve 2. Right then, let's give this a go. It smells very plastic ricey, if that makes any sense. It's all right. I wouldn't say it's anything particularly special. This is not too bad. Obviously, you've got to be careful with the garlic because that's going to make a smell in your van. You know what? That'll get a pass. Like, share, subscribe.